Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to research keywords on Etsy website. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you opened your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and if you are logged in into your account, you'll find this welcome back sentence with your name or your username right there. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll find at the top right corner sign in option instead of those icons. If you click on it, you'll be able to log in into your account or even to create an account. Of course, you'll be able to do both options even with a Google account, Facebook account, or an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. So once you did one of those options, you'll find, as we said, yourself here with this homepage and with the welcome back sentence. And as we said in the beginning of the video, you would like to research keywords on Etsy. So of course you can use the keyword sought for doing keyword research. You only need to do just enter a word or a phrase that best describe your niche or your items, and Keyword Scout will generate a list of the most popular related Etsy website tags, and of course you can use these tags to optimize existing listing or brainstorm new product ideas. So of course, as I said, just go here as an example, which is this website is just Jungle Scout. And as you can see from here, you can get started with the keyword scout. As I said, as I explained to you, just enter a word or a phrase that the best describe your item or your listing on Etsy, and it will give you the most popular related Etsy tags. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.